official ex Kumasi Asante Kotoko forward and the screen so Stephen Dese Mukwala Simba SC or Tanzania officially unveiling as a new striker and I was signed for how many years, details and more how many bro it was super 24 TV no so subscribe ya wada man wa hit the rest subscriber to me about man so near build it together information we are say in your top and I was here the bro real quick Stephen Dese Mukwala say will be featured in the CAF Champions League and I say Confederation Cup and I will be I think the Simba eligible to play now the woman say mine we no on the Oba Kotoko no sign 2 years ni subaya no body 2 year we are no call no any agent Oba ko Jessica ego mubotom details about new move no e wa na Stephen Dese Mukwala no so aka sembi a buttresses the bia de make about Stephen Mukwala or say no life no a journey we travel every day. Life is a journey we travel every day and we find the bag no okoduo na no washe space sini so say we free Kumasi Asante Kotoko sika bama wakwaje nya asem ketwa but to be real honest we wish him all the best the new chapter, new environment. Tanzania Simba a top African football more I was say a wash or more well the contracts no details can cry woman say or sign 2 years on a free agent deal Kotoko Capre. Breaking news: Simba FC unveils Stephen Dese Mukwala. Tanzanian giant Simba FC have officially announced the signing of Ugandan striker Stephen Dese Mukwala, formerly of Asante Kotoko. Sana reports no a captain or international report joins Mukwala joins Simba FC on a 3-year deal reportedly worth 50,000 after his contract with Asante Kotoko expired. To say the near canon. Career highlights no scored 25 goals in 59 Ghana Premier League appearances for Asante Kotoko. I think say any bad cry about half, almost half of games or boy go. Netted 14 goals in 28 games in the 2023-24 Ghana series. Scored a brace against Accra Folk in the Super Clash. First leg, the second leg, no man fan count. The talented striker is expected to boost Simba FC attack and make an immediate impact in the Tanzanian Premier League. Oko me say oko Simba, oko Tanzania, Simba ese Kotoko has no. Nancy younger Simba ese Simba ne younger ese Kotoko has no. But Nancy na say younger for no upper hand kakra. But expect to say Stephen Dese Mukwala across Simba or competition or a real tough Tanzanian Premier League, the many Champions League for Simba SC. We wish our former player Mukwala the very best in a new environment and in a new chapter of life.